Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation, a reliable backup and recovery software designed for business and workstation users. Let's start. First of all, what is EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation? EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation is an advanced backup software for Windows PCs and workstations. It helps you back up files, systems, disks, and partitions, ensuring that all your important data is safe. In case of system failure, virus attack, or accidental deletion, it allows you to restore your data quickly. It is designed for both home professionals and business users who need strong, reliable data protection. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation. Full system backup. Protect your entire workstation easily. File and folder backup. Secure important documents, photos, and business data. Disk and partition backup. Backup entire drives or specific partitions. Incremental and differential backup. Save time and storage space. Scheduled backups. Automatic daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Disk partition clone. Move Windows or data to a new drive. One-click restore. Quickly restore your files or system. Encryption and password protection. Keep backups safe from unauthorized access. So, who can benefit most from it? EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation is perfect for office workers and home professionals, IT teams managing multiple PCs, businesses needing secure data backup, users upgrading to new PCs or hard drives, anyone who wants fast, automatic, and safe data protection. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation is completely safe. It is developed by EaseUS, a trusted company with years of experience in backup and recovery solutions. The software does not harm your system, keeps your data secure, and ensures full privacy. Now, how to use EaseUS? Using EaseUS Todo Backup is very simple. Just follow these steps. Install EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation on your Windows PC or workstation. Open the program and choose Create Backup. Select what you want to backup: files, system, disk, or partition. Choose the backup location, like an external drive, network location, or cloud. Click Start Backup and wait for it to finish. To restore, select the backup and click Restore. Your data will be back safely. It's simple and very reliable. Now, if you want to unlock unlimited recovery and premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www. Order software keys. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. That's everything about EaseUS Todo Backup Workstation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.